Okay, today I received my first 3D printed design, nicely boxed by iMaterialize. Let's see what the cat dragged in. Bit sturdy. The invoice, card, bubble wrap, lots of bubble wrap, and a cover. iPhone cover. Hope it fits. So it has names on the side. Don't know if you can see it. Holes for the volume. Name on the other side. And then a logo in the back. Apparently part of the logo is not that visible. Maybe I had to make it a little less deep, not sure. But all in all, looks pretty neat. Let's see if it fits. Yep, it snaps together. Seems okay. Maybe the opening for the camera could be a little bit more to down and to the left, but all in all, not a bad fit for a first design. Cool. On to the next one.